Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. So yesterday, Dancing Rebel Father passed away. She never did much posting, but today now she did some more posting and actually gave an update as to, you know what I mean, little bit how she feel. And then she's tell us a little bit about her father. She also posted some photograph of her and her father, like when she was a kid, you know. So I'm going to show you that and I'm going to tell you what she said, right? But we still have say condolences to her and her family because you don't know the situation, right? She just lost her mom less than 2 weeks ago and now it's her father. But the thing now people were saddened most is where she put in the caption because, you know, she actually mentioned that her father passed away from cancer also like her mother. So that right there just made me just feel a type of way people for know say she lose both parents to cancer. So she posted a picture them of her and her father, you know what I mean, and her family in a one of them too. And this is what she said in the caption. She said, "You fought a long hard battle, daddy. You weren't perfect, but I loved you. You grew a fighter. I don't know what God is working out for me, but I am numb. My heart is weary. I can't even cry. We almost lost you from '05 when you were shot and battled through that. And sadly developed cancer. Even when you did nothing could change how you saw life. I wish our last conversation was an apology. I wanted to heal, but it wasn't. I will miss you. Rest in peace, daddy." Right? So now we understand, say, our father was shot in '05, and you know what I mean, him fight through that now at 2020, that's 15 years later, you know, him succumbed to cancer. So big up Rebel and our family once again. Condolences to you and them, right? So people, we have a next thing for sure now. Now TeeJay did up on him live with you, and TeeJay is a gimmicks man at times. You know, we like how TeeJay deal with live because TeeJay go up on him live sometime and him give some motivational stuff or him just, you know, talk the truth about certain situation. Is really like a person where I mean I talk about from when I see on live because I don't know TeeJay like that. But when I see on live, TeeJay is a man now where just, you know what I mean, him appreciate life and him glorify life. So him just say, you know what I mean, do the right thing, live and enjoy life. And this is what him are doing at this video now. Now him a talk some things on him live and people can't do nothing but laugh. So I'm not gonna say exactly what him a talk about. But the females them, you know what I mean, him a talk about Uno still. You see me? So I'm gonna play the video, I'm gonna hear what the up top boss I say. So here goes the video.
Some of them girl, yeah, when you meet man, you love tell a man about how when the man asks you, say, "Baby, you hungry or something to eat?" You know, no, me not hungry. And then when you drive side that man, you only hear your belly go so. I see your belly go. Eat before you go party. You hear me tell you though? Eat before you go party, young girl. Because when man half hour you figure you something to eat and you love chat about you eat already. And then when you drive, your belly. Shots, we should jump out. And then two we man know the thing go, we just laugh with the other side. So man and easier that they feel hungry more than I was taking liquor food. I lie woman, every woman. I lie me I tell. Yeah, drive. Turn around. Hey, pretty girl, you hungry? I want something to eat? No, I'm okay, I just eat food. Alright then baby. A few minutes later, hear your belly. Say bobo. I tell you though, Ja. I like her phone, what did I tell you though? Woman weird, I just woman that you love them, tender touch them, different girl every day, and I can't tell say. That best a share that. Take your liquor food. Shadow Star. I can't stop laugh. Just think about it and just laugh. Just hold on, you know. Just one thing me I pray sometime me woman them not do I just leg all and poop in a car on their hungry belly. Yes. Cause me I tell her gas up. Off the top. The brakes, right? The brakes. I tell her to get them food fast.
So ladies, what do you think about where the up top boss just said? You see me? What would they get that in the comment section and reply to him? You see me? I say, if we don't really do them thing there for real, where man asking if you know hungry, I want to say no, and then no belly start roll. Or if a man half of a buy when something, you know say when I say yeah, you know? I want to go all out and get everything. We don't know still, but I want to get in the comment section and tell me what you feel about that. So next, I have some video for show you with Shenseea. Now I have two videos for show you with Shenseea. The first one now, Shenseea call out the waist girl them according to her. That was her words. So I'm going to show another video, right? So here goes.
I somehow know, I just can't fucking understand. Right? How you feel love your man more than how you love your brother. You know to say it's a waste girl. Can't waste girl. Love your man. Waste girl. Over waste girl. Your pick me, brother.
On a level of real thing, Shenseea talk still no, cause yeah, some woman will love man more than them pitney, you know. And some woman will end up in a bad relationship with them pitney because of man, you know what I mean? But when you get in the comment section and address that. So the next video me I go show you now, Mrs. Shenseea have one thing on the menu. I post it on Instagram and I ask if anybody ever really had this before. And not much people try it, you know what I mean? So Shenseea eat bun and cheese. Nothing wrong with eating bun and cheese, but Shenseea eat bun and cheese and pear. I never heard of it, never had it. I don't know what you think about this. If you don't have it, put in the comment section. But watch the video and then we'll talk.
Why am I up? So last night, my dream say, I go shop and go buy a bun, brother. And couldn't get no cheese. No cheese I could get in a dream. See that now? Bun and cheese right now. No. What up I do? Eat bun, cheese, and one slice of pear. See that? Life is good.
Yeah, so big up Shenseea. So like me say, I never had that before. You know what I mean? We might give it a try, but I don't know if my stomach that strong still. Because pear is something of ramp with it, and then pear and cheese, I don't know still. Although when you have certain food, you know what I mean? Like maybe if you have salad, you might have pear in there, you might have shredded cheese or something like that. So I don't know. Maybe it's not that bad. Maybe I just me overreact to it, right? But people, that is the end of today's video. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Now, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful night or day or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Big up on yourself and stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.